Hi students, good morning. I'm Sangeeta from DHSS. I hope everybody is fine and safe. Today in this video, we are going to see 8th Standard English Unit 1 Prose, The Nose Jewel, written by C. Rajagopala Acharya. About the author, Chakravarti Rajagopala Acharya, 1878 to 1972, informally called Rajaji, was an Indian politician, independent activist, lawyer, writer, historian, and statesman. Rajagopala Acharya was born in the village of Thorapalli in the Krishnagiri district. Rajagopala Acharya was the last Governor General of India, as India soon became a republic in 1950. Furthermore, he was the first Indian born Governor General, since before him the posts were held by the British national. He also served as the leader of the Indian National Congress, Premier of the Madras Presidency, Governor of West Bengal, Ministries of Home Affairs of the Indian Union, and Chief Minister of Madras State. He was one of the first recipients of India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Now, let's see the lesson, the nose jewel. நோஸ் ஜுவல்னா அந்த காலத்தில் மூக்குத்தின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதை பற்றி ஒரு ஷார்ட் ஸ்டோரியை ராஜாஜி எழுதியிருக்காரு. Ramaya was a simple man living in the town. He lived with his wife in a nice house and made of tiled roof. He was not rich, but he could take care of his family. Two sparrows built a nest in a nice spot in the roof of Ramaya's house, and mother bird laid her eggs in it. My dear, began the male sparrow. And what do you want now? Asked his wife. Why does the lady of this house always quarrel with her husband? How am I to know? Said the female bird. Let us mind our own business. You are always self centered, said the male sparrow, and added, should we not help this poor Ramayas? The female sparrow said with disdain, let me see what help you can do for him. Please don't talk about what does concern us. See that the cat does not come near our nest. That could be enough for you and me. Somewhere in the muck heap lay a diamond nose jewel. The male bat picked it up and came to the nest with a shiny state in the beak and said to his wife, look, do you like this? The wife bird replied, what time I do with diamond nose state or with her earrings? Find some scrub, the young one are angry. The bird dropped the diamond state on the floor, went out in search of little worms, the young ones. Ramaya's wife noticed the jewel as she was sweeping the floor. She picked it up with the delight and wore it. Ramaya's questions her angrily. How did you get this diamond state? I found it laying here yesterday and took it, that's all. We should go and hand over it to the village magistrate. If tomorrow the police should come and search our house, it will be disgrace to us. In Meenakshi Ammal house nearby, the talk went thus. I forgot and left it in the bathroom. Kupai, the servant woman, must have specked it out. She is very careless and ignorant. The mother Meenakshi Ammal consoled her little girl, saying, let us search and find it. Don't tell fathers it. He could go into a range if he know that you had lot the diamond's note state. What is the secret you are whispering? Asked Ramanadam. The loss of the jewel had been admitted. Soon the whole village knew about it. The maid servant Kupayu was suspected by anyone to have stolen it. The police came and searched her hut but could find nothing. Ramaya's heart was inflicted. Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. She soon developed a severe fever and confined to her bed. No one thought of searching the house. The he sparrow said, "Look at the fun, my dear. The lady of this house is scared and is down with fever. Nice fun indeed," said the she sparrow. "The poor woman is in a panic. The fever may be the end of her. And good things too," said the cruel male sparrow. "It is all you were doing. You bought and threw it her and tempered her," said the female bird. The male sparrow answered gravely, "Did I tell her steal the things? This is bound to happen when human are being greedy." Rightly said. We should never be greedy for what belongs to others. Come, let us go now and bring some worms for the young ones and to flow out. Ramayas and his wife spent the rest of his life and fear of being caught. The diamond nose jewel may still with them, but the fear of getting caught was even more. இந்த ஸ்டோரியில் என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, ராமையா வீட்டு மேலே 2 சிட்டுக்குருவி வந்து கூடு கட்டி இருந்துச்சான். ஆண் சிட்டுக்குருவி வந்து ஃபுட் எடுக்கிறதுக்காக வெளியில் போகும்போது ஒரு வைர மூக்குத்தியை எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்துருச்சு. ஸோ அந்த வைர மூக்குத்தியை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது கீழே போடும்போது ராமையாவோட மனைவி வந்து அதை எடுத்து வச்சுக்கிறாங்க, ஒளிச்சு வச்சிடுறாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா, மீனாட்சி அம்மா வீட்டில் இருந்தது தான் அந்த நகை வந்து காணாமல் போயிருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி காணாமல் போகும்போது போலீஸ் எல்லாரும் வந்து தேடுறாங்க. பட் வந்து ராமையாவோட மனைவி வந்து எங்கிட்ட தான் இருக்குன்றது சொல்லிக்காமலே எடுத்து ஒளிச்சு வச்சுறாங்க. ஸோ அவங்க பேராசைப்படுறாங்க, நகை கிடச்சிருச்சு, இதனால் நம்ம வந்து பெரிய ஆள் ஆயிடலாம் அப்படின்னு நினச்சி எடுத்து மறைச்சி வைக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி வைக்கும் பொழுது அவங்க அந்த மாதிரி பேராசைப்பட்டதுனால அவங்களுக்கு வந்து உடல்நிலை சரியில்லாமல் ஆகிடுது. பயத்துலேயே காய்ச்சல் வந்துருச்சு, என்ன நடக்க போகுதுன்ற பயத்துலேயே காய்ச்சல் வந்துடுச்சு. மேலேருந்து இந்த ரெண்டு சிட்டுக்குருவியும் பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருந்துச்சு, என்ன தான் நடக்குதுன்னு சொல்லி பார்த்துட்டு இருந்துச்சு. பார்க்கும்பொழுது ஆண் சிட்டுக்குருவி சொல்லுது, இவங்க பேராசைப்பட்டதுனால இவங்களுக்கு பாரு உடல்நிலை சரியில்லாமல் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஆண் சிட்டுக்குருவி சொல்லிகிட்ருக்கு. ஃபைனலாக ராமையாவும் அவங்க மனைவியும் அந்த பயத்துலேயே என்ன பண்ணிடுறாங்க, மீத வாழ்க்கையை வாழ்ந்துடுறாங்க. மாரல் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டோரி, கவர்ட் ஆல் லூஸ் ஆல். அதாவது பேராசை பெருநஷ்டத்தை தரும். Let's see the glossary. Self-centered, concerned with the self, ignorant, unaware. Magistrate, a judicial officer with limited authority to administrate and enforce the law. Panic, frightened, gravely, in a grave or serious manner. Next learn question answer. Where did the sparrow build the nest? The sparrow built the nest in a nice spot on the roof of Ramaya's house. Why did the bird drop diamond state? To teach a lesson to the greedy wife of Ramaya. Who was suspected of stealing the diamond nose state? Kupai, the servant woman of Meenakshi Ammal family. What did Ramaya's wife do with the stud? Ramaya's wife hid the nose stud in her box. What happened to Ramaya's wife at the end? Ramaya's wife developed a severe fever due to the fear of police. Thank you students. Like, comment and share.